In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete recently visited pages on Facebook. When you browse through Facebook, the platform saves a list of pages you have visited. If you want to clear this list for privacy reasons or just to tidy up your account, follow these steps. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. After that, scroll down until you see an option called Activity Log. Tap on it. Then tap on the Activity History button. And then tap on the Filters button at the top left. Tap Categories. Then tap on the Logged Information option. Tap Search. Then tap your search history. Now you'll be able to see all the pages you've searched for and visited on Facebook. To delete a specific page from this list, tap on the three dots next to that page. Tap Delete. And then tap Delete one more to confirm it. If you want to delete all recently visited pages at once, simply tap where it says, Clear Searches. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.